It's not coming through too well. Right up there, there's two, and over there is a third one. Earlier I had a better shot, clearer view. Can you see this guy running through the trees? Yeah, there he goes. Probably going to fling poo at me any minute.
Follow my monks, follow my monks, follow my steps, follow my steps.
Seems to be by him. Oh, there he is.
There they go. Bye. Bye. See you later. Maybe. Hey, is this a path? Is this somewhere?
We're stopped by the fence to the neighbors.
Adios, monkeys.
People might be sleeping yet, Otto.
Goodbye.
Alright. Well, it's pretty amazing. You know, again, this video doesn't do justice to it, but you see a family of monkeys moving through the trees just outside your window first thing Sunday morning when you're only on your first cup of coffee. Sun comes up early here, like about 5:20 a.m., but it goes down so early too, so try to get a lot jammed into our days here in Costa Rica. Hey Otto, what do you think of those monkeys?
They made my best morning ever.
But they're not the howlers. We can hear the howlers off somewhere, and these guys weren't very loud.
They were silent, funny, and adorable. One of them waved at me like this.
You
He
know,
didn't quite get the memo.
what about the one hanging by his tail? It's almost like he was showing off.
Here we go. Look at him running.
Oh, over there. All right, well, I guess we'll call this one the morning of the monkeys. And again, the quality's not great, but oh, there goes another one through the trees.